Today's video is gonna be an Amazon fashion haul. I'm so excited to show you guys the stuff I got. I got some jewelry for myself and I also got some gifts for my friends and family. Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. So the first set I have here is a set of hoops and one pair of studs from Jewellery. Okay, so this is the first pair. This is what it looks like. I really like this set. I love that it has so many options. I really love the studs. They are so cute. And I haven't been wearing hoops since a while and I thought why not get them again. The next set I have here is also from Jewellery. They have some really good stuff and I really liked it, you guys. So I got this set because it had 9 pairs of earrings and they are really cute and it was extremely affordable. I think I got it for like $1.99 or $2.99. I'm gonna attach the prices here. And it has all these cute earrings, like a bunch of them. I got this one as well for like 200-250 rupees, and in this set I got 9 pairs and the quality is great. I love that the pieces are so cute and adorable, and you guys know I'm not like that into jewelry, so I like wearing dainty and minimal pieces, and this set just fits that perfectly. The next thing I have here is another set of hoops and studs from Jewellery. This one in particular has 3 hoops and 3 studs. There's a variety of different hoops here. I absolutely love the hoops. I also like the studs that they have given here. I got this one to gift to a friend and I hope she likes it. I love that these sets arrived so quickly after I ordered them. I'm currently traveling and it arrived really fast considering I'm in a different city. They are so affordable and so versatile, perfect for gifting at approximately 200 to 250 rupees, which I feel is a great deal for jewelry with such good quality. I love that all these sets are dainty and so minimal. They look simple yet so elegant. You guys, Jewellery has really come through and I would definitely order some more stuff from them again. Moving on to some ethnic jewelry. I ordered some pieces for the festive season and I'm so excited to show them to you. I don't like wearing real jewelry because you're moving around, traveling, and it's so hard to keep track of stuff when you're as clumsy as me. Next up, I have a beautiful pair of pearl kundan Chandbali earrings, and I've purchased from this brand before. It's called iJewels and I picked up a set from them last year and the quality was amazing. I'm still using it and that's so good for artificial jewelry. Let me show you guys this set real quick. These would go well with so many outfits. I absolutely love the detailing on these earrings. They're perfect for the festive and wedding seasons. They are so traditional. The pearls are super cute and the colors are just beautiful. I have 2 lehengas in particular that would go so well with these. I also love that they have given 2 extra earring stoppers. I keep losing them so often, so that's really helpful for me. I've had a great experience with this brand in the past and I will continue purchasing more pieces from them. So if you would like to see those too, let me know in the comments below. The next thing that I got here is this set from Suki. This set is also for the festive season and I got it at such a great deal on Amazon. I got it for 199 rupees, you guys, and I feel like that is a steal. I love that they have bubble wrapped this for keeping it safe. I really like the quality of this set as well. It's beautiful. I highly recommend you guys go get your hands on this for the festive season. I received it in a day with Prime, and if you're looking for something to wear last moment to a Diwali party, this is definitely the set I would recommend you guys to get. Moving on to my favorite part of this haul, the accessories. My mom was telling me she wanted a sling bag and I decided to get her a gift. I got the Peach Caprice Yondella sling bag. So I got this sling bag as a Diwali gift for my mom. She really wanted a new sling bag and I thought this is the perfect time to give it to her. I love this color. It is so beautiful. She was looking for an everyday bag that she can use on a daily basis and this bag is just perfect for that. The quality and stitching is amazing and I also love the shape of this bag. This color is something she could use daily and I feel like it'll go with any outfit. Moving on to the next product that I got it in 2 variants ingredients for gifting as well, and I'm gonna show these to you guys. I think you're gonna love them. These wallets retail for rupees 2899, but I got them for just rupees 1652. These are perfect for Diwali gifting. You can get up to 50 to 80% off on fashion and beauty products on Amazon. Head over to my Amazon store for some amazing gifting recommendations for yourself and your loved ones. Shop now with the link in my description box. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks again for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys in my next one. I love you all so much.